it is, when I left earlier, because I did a level of patrol from 0600 hours, 6 a.m. in the morning, and the locations I saw vehicles, we impounded those we could impound. Bottom line is we're taking it as a very serious issue here, and we're not going to relax on that until when we're supposed to, until as directed earlier on at 1800 hours, 6 p.m. or immediately after voting stops. You know, it can be extended at some locations depending on how turnouts are. So for us, it is fully being enforced, and we're not going to renege on that. Okay, voters oppression is an electoral offense. Vote buying, you didn't ask, but let me add that, is also an electoral offense, and there are so many other offenses that we will not allow to get close to any polling units. As it is, we cannot deploy directly to armed men directly to polling units, as our electoral guidelines state, but we have tactical deployments far off from those locations, overseeing all polling units. Anybody that goes close to any polling unit with any level of violence will get to meet the long arm of the law, and would ensure that that will be fully complied with. We have the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of investigation, heading the investigative team. The directive is, once anybody is apprehended while conducting himself against any electoral law, he should be immediately apprehended, preliminaries at that location commenced, and transferred immediately to the Deputy Commissioner of Police investigation, who is on standby with his teams at all divisions to ensure diligent investigation and possible prosecution. Okay, we have police control numbers, and we are not joking, we are not taking it lightly. All the numbers are active. There's a joint operation center. There's a joint operation center. I'm trying to get out the numbers. First, the emergency number we have is 933. 933. But we also have our control room numbers in case there are clashes of calls coming into 933. It would be nice I give you two more numbers from our control room, so that residents of Abuja can also get across to us. So first, the 933, then you have 080 6158 1938. I repeat, 080 6158 1938. You can also take down 0705 733 7653. I repeat, 0705 733 7653. All these three numbers are active. You can even dial and try any one of them now. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
They feel sweet. I want to go with them.
Because I've been a former local government chairman 2004, 2010, and then I've contested so many elections in FCT, the National Assembly, and other elections. This is not a presidential election. This is local election. where people will come out to elect the leader they want at the area councils level. And that's what we are witnessing today. In terms of security, let me appreciate the security agencies who have taken their time to make sure that they make a very good atmosphere for people to come out to come and vote.
Okay, but sir, what we have seen so far, based on our observation, is that the turnout is quite low compared to how it used to be. I mean, like this polling unit, they have like 500 and something registered, but so far they have like 10 to 11 people who have come out to cast their vote.
The issue here is that this is a local government or area council election. It's not a presidential election or rather a national assembly election. This is a local thing. So if you see that people that are coming to vote are local people, so that is how it is. There's no much competition on the issue of area councils. And people, before they come out to vote, they know who they are voting. And they will vote the candidate they want. And to me, there's no voter apathy, but the turn-up is okay compared to what we talk between the local government election and the federal elections.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
People have been coming to vote. This thing given to you says this is your location, right?
Yes, Kasana Estate.
This is the Karsana Estate. So what's the issue now? This is the Karsana Estate. So tell your people, tell your anybody that you know that is registered there, tell them to come.
Okay,
You can see them, they are waiting.
yes, sir.
So let them come and vote, because the initial report from you is that they are not allowing people to come and vote. Now these are the electoral workers waiting for people to come and vote. They are waiting. So tell them to come and vote. Nobody is preventing anybody from voting. Please, we have to be careful about the kind of narrative that we send outside. Because if we didn't follow you now, at the end of the day, you will say, see what happens. But now we are here now. Bring the people that want to vote and bring them and let them come and vote.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
You are observer for, are you observer or party agent?
I'm an observer.
Observer.
Yes, sir.
No. Observer, please. You can do better. Please, you can. Please be deviant in every society, you know. We expect it, and that's why we have also put in place that level of enforcement to prevent them from moving ahead with the vehicle. And that's why you see that they are being held down to make sure that they don't move with that vehicle. We expect that there will be some form of people that would not want to obey, and we have put in place measures to also deal with that.
Are we going to be seeing your men stay all through until voting is over and then collation of results?
Of course, until the results are announced. Then by the time the results are announced, we move into another phase. That is the post-election security. So we expect police officers and all the security agencies to be out, as we have seen, from now until the results are announced. Then even the celebration, the days after the announcement of the results.
So, the vehicles that were impounded, would there be any kind of
Please check the next podium. Where the see, Baba, check it.
If the number again now, sometimes when you go to your phone, you